See them live is the Urban Day date. Just to have a look at them. I think it's always better to see them live as well. So yeah, we added a date and a day to the Urban that you probably already know, and so the day is displayed in like a half circle, and the date comes in the round shape at 6 o'clock. And it's also like a reminder kind of the logo of Meistersinger, because if you put those things together, it's like the Fermata logo.
And the Dane language will be on English only, or also German available?
No, I think it's international, so we
Only
decided
English.
to say English.
And so also the 3 different dye colors and a couple of strap colors available.
But I see that on these they're in red color.
Exactly,
right?
yeah. The darker ones come in red, and the lighter ones in the dark one. And we also, thank you, always good. And we also decided to only show the 2, 4, 8, and 10 digits, so because otherwise it would just have been a lot on the dial itself. And yeah, again the red tip of the hand. It's for 995 euros, so it's below 1,000 euro.
And the movement inside.
It's a Miyota.
Yeah.
With the Meistersinger rotor for the Urban, we last year released the Urban, and now we decided, okay, let's put a Meistersinger rotor. So the rotor is also new.
So it's customized now.
It's customized, but it's of course it's like 82, 85 Miyota movement, I think.
Yeah.
So it's a nice one.
Yeah, it's
a really nice dynamic shape, I guess, because of this. Even if the dial is really, really interesting, I guess. So it's for me personally, it's a nice developing concept of the original Urban. So
it's really a very nice line extension. I mean, it's not only a line extension, but I think it's even more. So.
I think it will look even good even in the bigger size, not only in the small size.
Yeah.
So it will be interesting if you will introduce the bigger size versions.
Yeah, exactly.